students. Today we are going to start with the installation process. So as you can see my PDF over here, here you can have the prerequisites which already we have been discussed in the last classes. And we are just going to see how we are going to install the Blue Prism and the process. So in this PDF, we will be finding out the exact steps which you are going to follow. Okay. So now I'll just move little down, and here you can see in the first step, you have to go to the blueprism.com. Okay, so I'll just click on this and I'll show you how the Blue Prism site looks like. And you remember that it's not whatever I have here, the steps of Blue Prism. That's not mandatory that you will find the same steps in your Blue Prism website, because the because the website used to change according to the customer's requirement. Okay, so whatever the steps you are seeing now, little it will be differ from the actual Blue Prism website. Okay, so that also I'm going to show you now. Okay, so now I'm just going to click on this Blue Prism website. Before that, you can see I have here the free trial versions. Okay, so you will have this kind of two things like free trial version and learning edition. When I downloaded in my laptop, that time these two versions were notifying, but now it's not there. Like a little different is there. So that I'll show you where exactly you have to go. So first you just note down this website name, that is www.blueprism.com. So if I will click on that, so I'm just going directly redirecting towards my Blue Prism website now. So here it's going to open. Okay, so now here you can see this is your Blue Prism website. Okay, so here many things are there, like the product, solutions, partners, all these things are there. So exactly whatever I have shown you, that free trial versions and learning edition, you won't get it here. Okay, because it has been updated. So what you're going to do is directly you go to here, free trial. Okay, so if I click on to this, now here you can see try Blue Prism for free and all this. And here you can see that in the down, what are the things you are going to get. Okay, here you can see learn Blue Prism. Okay, and here in down also many things will be there, free the people, what are the links you want to try it up, that is also there. The Blue Prism community is also there. Okay, so we are going to try on this free trial. Already I have clicked it, right? So next what I'm going to do is I'll just go up, and here I have learn Blue Prism. I'll just click on start learning. Okay, so if I'll click on start learning, so it will give me one more website like into that, but it is one more tab of your Blue Prism. So here, if you go down, here you can see the Blue Prism Learning Edition, where you are going to learn for 180 days and you are going to explore all these things freely. Okay. So here you are going to get one digital worker, which we have already discussed. That is your Digital Express. That also will show you how it is. You are going to get the 2 sessions and you are going to get 5 published processes. What is that? Slowly we will just explore all these things. So now here, if you are going to download, then here it will ask you ready to try Blue Prism Learning Edition. Then here you have to click on start now. So little it has been different when I took the snapshot of Blue Prism. So you have to follow whatever the current website is asking you to do. Now here you can see the you have to create the account under your Blue Prism. So how you are going to create the account, you have to give the email address, and remember in that email address you are going to get the licensed version of your Blue Prism, like one .lic file and one PDF. Okay, so if your email address will be wrong, you are not going to get that mail, and that mail the maximum time is 72 hours. Okay, to reach out in your mailbox, but sometimes it also comes in within 5 minutes. Okay, you have to keep refreshing your mail chat. So next is you have to give your username, you have to confirm your passwords and everything. So all these details you have to fill it up and you have to create your account. Okay. Once you have created your account, you have to check your mailbox. Okay. So till here you have understood how you are going to reach here. Okay. Next, I'm just going to show you in PDF. So here I have the PDF. So I'm just going to omit all these things because already you have created the account. So when you will create the account, you are going, it will be like this. I'll just show you. Okay. So whenever you are going to get, okay, this kind of one image, it means that you have already downloaded. Okay, so you are ready to set up your, or you are going to get a link to download the Blue Prism. Whenever you will create the account, maybe you are going to redirect to your DX. Okay, so then you can see this kind of window where it means that already you have received one link to download your Blue Prism. Then you have to check your mailbox. In mailbox, you will be getting this kind of mail, which I have already shown you with your license key. So there you are going to download the Blue Prism from your mailbox. Don't take it from your friends because it will not be same license key or whatever your friends have got. So you have to use your individual license key. So now once you have downloaded, so normal softwares, how you used to install it, the same process you are going to do it. Okay. And before starting the download, you have to download one, before installing your Blue Prism, you have to do one more work. You have to download your SQL server. Okay. So here you have to write in your Google, download SQL Express, then it will open. Okay, so you are going to check your Express Edition. You are going to click on Express Edition to download. The normal process, it will, you can see this kind of Express Edition. Remember everything, you have to click on Basic. Okay, automatically it will take, but suppose if it asks, then you click on Basic. Then you have to click on next. Okay, and accept if it will give you any terms and conditions. Then you are going to install, it will take automatically C program. Then you are going to install it. Okay, so once you have done with that, then go back to your mail again and start downloading your Blue Prism. So here already you have seen your download Blue Prism option. You have to start. Once you will click on this, it will take the normal process. It will ask you that please allow me, the admin has to allow you, just keep yes everywhere. And next you are going to start with your downloading process. Here you have to click on download. Okay, it's even here. So once you have clicked on download, it will start downloading automatically. Then here installation process will start automatically. You have to keep pressing get started. Then you are going for your license agreement. Then you have to press your next. Okay, here little different is there. Please keep watching. Here you have to the license agreement. Just click here and press as next. Already I have done all these things in my laptop, so I cannot override the software again and again. You have to follow this PDF. Next, you are going to, it will take automatically the location of your Blue Prism. Then press your install. Next, you are going to install it. Okay, automatically it will take, you can see this bar has to fill it up with the blue color. Then next, and one more thing you remember, if you have opened anything in the Chrome browser, automatically it will close. Okay, so it will show you the error. So you have to close the Chrome browser. This is very important. You remember, if the Chrome browser is running, you have to close it. Okay, so this is the main thing. Next, you are going to continue your install. Okay, automatically it will stop. It will ask you to stop all the Chrome browsers. Then you can write here continue install. It will keep going on. Then here you have to write finish and launch your Blue Prism. Okay, then it will ask you to create your password. You can give your password, but remember, you cannot change your password. Okay, and your user ID, always it will be admin. That you have to remember. Your user ID, always it will be admin, and you are going to give. So here you can see admin is written, and you are going to create the passwords. So once it is done, it will just ask you to install the database. You have to press with the next buttons. Then you are going to build the database. It will also take automatically. You are not going to do anything over here. Only you have to press next again. Then it will, once it is done, it will ask you to sign in using your Blue Prism credentials. So here you are going to give admin as your username and password, whatever you have created. Okay. Then you are going to activate your Blue Prism, where we need your .lic file, which you have already received in your mailbox. Okay. That you have to download and keep it in a folder. Two things you will be receiving, .lic file and one more PDF. Both the things you download and keep it. Here you have to see, you have to go for your activating the Blue Prism. So here you are going to browse, okay? What you are going to browse? You are going to browse your license file path. So mostly it will be in your downloads. So go on, just click, automatically the path will come over here. Then you are going to, for the next button, okay? So once you have gone, don't click on this to get your license key, because you have already received your license key in your mailbox. So you are just giving your path name and you're going for the next button. Then here you have to generate a new activation code. Okay. How you're going to do? You will receive this kind of window. Click here, generate your new activation code. Then it will redirect you like one more window. Okay, and here also again it will come like your license activation code has come. You are going to copy it with the clipboard. So you are just copying it. Then you have to go open your Blue Prism portal. Okay, so how you are going to open? You have to, it will just redirect you to the DX. So there you will get your key. Okay, here you can see open the Blue Prism portal. Just click on this. Then it will redirect you to your Blue Prism. Okay, whatever you have copied that license key, you have to just keep here as Control V. Okay, here you are just going to paste it, and then it will, you can click on this submit license activation. Once you have done with that, suppose multiple times if you will do, then it will be a problem. Okay, so here once you have pasted all this, here one click button will be there. Generally the students will forget to click it, but you are going to click on this. Then you are writing that click on submit license activation. Once you have done with that, it will, you can see it will automatically copied and pasted to your Blue Prism clipboard. Here you are going to copy it once again. Okay, here the option will be there for you, copy to clipboard. Just click on that, and then it will redirect you again to the Blue Prism window, where you are going to paste your key from the portal. Okay, so you are going to redirect in between two things, in between your installation process to your web browser. So here whatever you have copied from there, again you are going to paste it here. Okay, otherwise there is an import key file also we can use. Okay, anything you can do. If you want to paste directly, you can do. Suppose if you have not done, you can go for your import key file. But it is better, as you have already copy to clipboard, you have clicked, directly you can paste it here. Paste key from clipboard. So just click on that. Then you have to go for your next button. So here you can see I have already pasted. Then I will go for the next button. Then it will let me know that your license key is activated. Then I'll go for the next button. So once it is done, it will give me this kind of window that everything is set up. It is, you have to click on finish. Then it will welcome you towards your Blue Prism like tool. You can go and you can execute any programs over there. Then you can go inside and you can see this kind of window. If you are getting this kind of window, it means that you have installed your Blue Prism properly. So this is the way of installing your Blue Prism. It is quite easy, but little tricky also. While copying and pasting the license key from your keyboard to somewhere, you have to take it into the mark that you are copying and pasting it properly, because once it will be wrong, again you have to start the process, which will be very hectic. So take your own time and slowly start doing your installation process. You can do it. That will be not that much of difficult. So I hope you have understood this like installation process, how you're going to do. So you can try it out now. Thank you.